go.
Okay, while you're waiting, tell me what you're doing, Patrick.
I'm checking my new email account.
Do you have any mail?
Nope.
No new mail?
Look.
Click on the one from Nana. I want you to read it to me.
Okay. Or maybe, dear Patrick, I'm glad you made it home safely. That's a very long ride. That is a very long ride. Car. Is the weather warm at your house? It is still kind of cool here. We are getting ready for the family reunion here this weekend.
Read loud.
Yes. Yesterday we went to eat lunch at Tanner's Del Taco. Today, when we went to drop Tanner off at work, Elle ordered a green burrito for her breakfast. Do you think Tanner is a Del Taco celebrity? I love you. Love, Nana.
Here, are you going to write back?
No, I'm gonna check my other emails.
Oh, okay. Alright, say bye-bye, camera. Wave bye-bye.